How to make Yubo account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have downloaded Yubo app in your device. Now launch it. You will land to this kind of page. Over here you'll see the option of continue with Apple or Google and login. Click on the option of continue with Apple or Google. Now you have to select your email address. Once you do that, you can click on the option of continue. Create a new account. Login or create new account. Click on the option create new account. Tell us a bit about you. Type in the nickname, and then birthday, and then gender. Add a face pic. Clearly show your face, use a recent photo. Now click on plus icon. You can use video from camera roll, photos from camera roll, or take a selfie. I'm gonna choose the option of photos from camera roll. After you select the picture, now you have to create your username. Once you are done, click on continue. Creating your account. Choose the kind of friends you want to make on Yubo. After you select it, click on continue. What are you into? Tap 5 tags to show your hobbies and interests in your profile. After you select it, click on continue. Now you have to go through the community guidelines of Yubo app and then click on accept. And with that, your account will be created. So this is how you can easily make your Yubo account. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.